Ready to unlock the hidden potential of Kvcore and supercharge your real estate business? Let's dive into finding the Kvcore API, your gateway to seamless integrations and custom solutions. First, log into your Kvcore account. Once you're in, look for the Marketplace tab on the left-hand side of your screen. It's typically located near the bottom of the menu. Click on it. Within the Marketplace, scroll until you find the API Nation tile. This is your key to accessing the Kvcore API. Note that the exact location of this tile may vary slightly depending on your account setup and any active promotions. Click on the API Nation tile. This will take you to a page that describes the integration capabilities offered through API Nation. Now, look for a Connect button or a section explaining how to activate the API connection. Click on the Connect button if available, or follow the provided instructions to link API Nation to your Kvcore account. If you don't have an existing API Nation account, you'll be prompted to create one or link to your existing API Nation account. Once connected, you will be provided with your API keys or the relevant connection details. This information is critical for connecting Kvcore to other platforms or building your own custom integrations. With your API keys in hand, you can now start integrating Kvcore with countless other tools and platforms, automating tasks, enriching your data, and creating truly powerful workflows. Remember to keep your API keys secure and consult the API Nation documentation for detailed instructions on how to use the API effectively. Good luck integrating.